Have you been injured in a car accident that wasn't your fault? If so, you may be wondering how long you have to take legal action and file an injury claim. This is an important question because there are strict time limits on filing accident claims that you need to be aware of. In this video, I'll explain exactly how long you have to file an auto accident injury lawsuit in the state of Ohio. First, let's look at the statute of limitations for auto accident claims in Ohio. The statute of limitations simply refers to the deadline for filing a lawsuit. For personal injury claims stemming from auto collisions in Ohio, you generally have 2 years from the date of the accident to file your claim. 2 years might sound like a long time, but it's important not to delay in speaking with an attorney and evaluating your legal options. The sooner you act, the more time your attorney will have to build the strongest case possible on your behalf. Now, it's important to note this 2-year deadline can vary in certain situations. For example, in the case of a car accident with a minor, the 2-year deadline would not begin until they turn 18 years old. The bottom line is this: do not wait too long to assert your legal rights after an auto collision. Consult with a qualified personal injury attorney as soon as possible after the accident to fully understand your options and avoid running into problems with the statute of limitations. An experienced attorney can handle all the details, evaluate your case, gather evidence, determine who is at fault, and build your claim so you have the best chance of maximum compensation. They will advise you on the appropriate timing to file the lawsuit. We work diligently to ensure that your potential case and lawsuit are handled effectively and compassionately, providing you with the support you need during this difficult time. Our goal is to help you achieve some measure of justice and peace during this challenging time. If you or someone you know needs help navigating an auto collision claim, please reach out to us. Our team is ready to listen and support you. We're Ryan Injury Attorneys, and we're here for you.